We gotta identify where they are.
Oh, the
before
circle is
they
very,
see
very
us.
small. Green is where the circle is. In the middle of the circle.
They probably see those trees there. It's northeast for me, probably more.
Now's the time to huck those grenades,
I don't
if you have one.
I hugged it last time.
Okay. Anybody have anything else?
No. Oh, I see him. He's just behind the tree east of here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go start shooting.
Yeah, I see his ass.
Hey, he's right there. He's down.
Get you, Miranda.
Yeah, there's two guys on the
I
southeast.
see him. They're with where,
Yep,
where their
two
buddy
guys,
was.
yep. They're crawling.
One down.
Oh, I'm down.
We gotta move a bit. There he is.
He's up, he's up, he's up.
Oh, they see me too. There's
He's
a guy
behind the
to
tree, he's behind the tree.
There's another guy to my right. I
Fuck.
see him. Oh, he got me. Oh, no.
Oh,